Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. We're talking about how to optimize Arc browser for low RAM usage. So the primary culprit behind the high RAM usage is your today's tabs stack. If you keep tabs open for days, they remain live in a system memory. So if you're on Mac, and you should be, open your settings by pressing Command plus comma, and then under the General tab, locate the option labeled Archive Tabs After. And by default, this is often set to 12 or 24 hours. Now click the drop down and drop it down to 1 or 2 hours. And this will force Arc to automatically sleep and archive unutilized tabs incredibly fast, completely wiping their data footprint out of your physical RAM sticks. And also don't worry, you can still find them instantly inside your archive bin if you need them back. Also guys, make sure to click Control T or Command T to open up your command bar and type in this command I'll show you. So just open up your search bar and type this in, Arc Settings Performance. And this will launch this interface. And in here guys, you can just enable the battery saver or memory saver, sorry. And as you can see, I'll set the level for it, which is moderate, balanced, or maximum. So if maybe you're on a lower tier laptop or something, you can save your RAM easily by setting it to balanced or maximum. As you can see, your tabs will become inactive after a shorter period of time. So that's it. These are the tweaks for you guys. Enjoy as always, and like and subscribe.